Hi guys, if you are facing iPhone random black screen of death with no warning and your phone is stuck in this black screen, then how to fix it? So for this you have to forcefully restart your iPhone. For that you have to press the volume up once, down once, and then press and hold the right side power key until you see the Apple iPhone logo. Let's try this. Press volume up, volume down, and then press and hold. Okay, if you will press the volume up and down, nothing will show up here because you have a black screen. Do not leave this right side power key and keep it pressed until you see this logo. Once you see the logo, lift your finger off the screen and you have forcefully restarted your iPhone and your problem will be fixed for now. Now, if this is also not working, then what you can do, you can just try to charge your phone with charger for at least 30 minutes. It happens when your phone gets deep discharged. So try to continuously charge it for at least half an hour to 1 hour around and then see if it works or not. Now, if you're able to log in to your iPhone, then try to find out why it's happening. So just go to settings, go to general and go to iPhone storage and see if it is not almost full. There should be some free space left. If not, then try to delete large size videos from your iPhone to clear some storage. Okay, this is one thing. Second thing is, make sure your iPhone is updated. So go to settings again, go to general and go to software update and try to update your phone to the latest version. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.